Welcome to our channel. Today we talked about Tube Tornado Review. Limited time commercial license included. Price goes back to monthly recurring soon. Groundbreaking software which brings unlimited traffic to any offer, page or link you want. Get the first mover advantage and dominate your market. Get 100% free traffic and sales from absolute scratch. No need to be on camera, no voice, no complex video editing skills needed. Be up and running in 5 minutes from now and start driving free traffic in 2 minutes. Proven and tested method that's generating tens of thousands of views and commissions to even newbies, people with no skills and no talent. Works even if you have no experience, no tech skills. Unlimited potential, works in any niche, any offer. It's fully scalable and repeatable. Low one-time price during launch period. Commercial license allowing you to resell these videos for high profits. Ready for massive traffic and commissions? Start here. Lately, if you feel that driving traffic to your sites or offers is becoming more and more difficult, then you're not alone. In fact, absolutely right. 1. There's simply more competition now than ever before, making it harder to stand out. 2. Social media algorithms have changed, making it harder for businesses to reach their target audiences. 3. Paid advertising is becoming increasingly expensive and less effective. And the biggest reason of all, the average attention span is decreasing. People are more distracted than ever, making it harder to hold people's attention. If you're still using outdated, boring and ineffective traffic methods such as blogging, SEO, video marketing, or Facebook ads, then truth is, the landscape has changed, and if you're not using the latest traffic strategies, you're going to get left in the dust. The fact is, people are now consuming content differently than they have in the past. And YouTube Shorts is the best way to take advantage of this latest trend. YouTube Shorts are short, vertical videos that people can watch on the YouTube app. 4 massive reasons why you should get started with YouTube Shorts right now. And that's why it's more easier than ever. Drive traffic with YouTube Shorts. It's the golden opportunity for anyone looking to get tons of traffic to their sites, blogs, offers and businesses. Newbies, people with no real skills, no experience, no idea, and some just by pure luck, unknowingly are making $500 to even $1,000 per day with this traffic method. And there's no reason why you can't do the same. Every other Shorts creator is driving in tens of thousands, even 100 seconds and millions of views to their websites, blogs, and offers to create a huge surge in sales and income. The great news is, still, 99% of the marketers have no idea about IT. It's extremely easy to get all traffic for yourself if you start right now. You can get started right here, right now. Without budget, no advertising. Without showing your face, voice, without writing lengthy scripts, without recording hours of content, without any editing skills, without posting dance, creepy or obscene videos, without outsourcing, without waiting for months, days, or even hours to start getting traffic. And today, we are going to show you how to tap into this massive opportunity and start getting traffic right now, with the help of YouTube Shorts in just 3 clicks. Link. We will provide a screenshot of purchase in this video comments.